An asteroid is headed toward Earth. But should we be worried, or is this just another space scare?
There are countless asteroids that are flying around the solar system. There's a subset of them whose orbits are wayward enough that they cross the orbit of the Earth. Those are the ones you want to keep track of.
A newly discovered asteroid, 2024 YR4, could be on a collision course with Earth. It was found in late 2024, and while its exact size is uncertain, it's estimated to be between 50 and 100 meters wide, big enough to cause serious damage. If it hits a city, the resulting crater could be nearly a mile wide, flattening everything in its path. The impact energy would be around 8 to 10 megatons, comparable to some of the most powerful nuclear explosions ever detonated. But its trajectory isn't fully locked in yet.
The estimate for the chances of it hitting us are down at this moment, between 1% and 2% at the time of this recording. Now, what does that mean? I'll tell you. It means that the orbital trajectory we have for it, when projected forward in time, has an uncertainty cone where the asteroid could end up anywhere in that cone, but more likely in the center of the cone. If it stayed in the center, you can ask, how close to Earth would it come? About the distance from Earth to the moon.
If it were to strike Earth, the potential impact zone stretches from the Pacific Ocean, across South America, the Atlantic, Northern Africa, India, and into Southeast Asia. That's a massive region, but there's no need to panic just yet. Scientists are closely monitoring the asteroid, and we already have ways to deflect space threats. NASA's DART mission proved we can change an asteroid's path, giving us some control over potential impacts. Right now, 2024 YR4 ranks a 3 on the Torino scale, meaning astronomers are paying attention, but it's not a global catastrophe. As new data comes in, that number could drop to 0, meaning no threat at all. So will an asteroid wipe out civilization in 2032? That's why space colonization is more important than ever.